Welcome to This Walking Life. I'm the bloke who walks, and today we've got a special announcement for our younger viewers and those young at heart. Coming soon is a special presentation of the Myer Christmas windows from the Bourke Street Mall in Melbourne. It has been saved from cancellation during these unusual times. So look out for that episode and we hope you enjoy it. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like the video, comment on it, give us any feedback you can, and we'll see you soon. Welcome to This Walking Life, to the home of the Australian Open. Outside Melbourne Park, Laver Arena. Thanks for watching this special Australian Open edition brought to you by This Walking Life. Stay tuned for the director's commentary for this video. Let's go. We'll be walking from accommodation at Arrow and Spencer Apartments to the home of the Australian Open, Melbourne Park. Welcome to This Walking Life. Today we're in Melbourne, Australia, and today we're walking from the centre of Melbourne and then on to finishing at the Queen Victoria Market. Let's go. Welcome to This Walking Life. And we're walking from Richmond train station to the home of the Australian Open. From the outside Melbourne Park, Laver Arena, and walking into the centre of Melbourne. Let's go. Thanks for watching this special Australian Open edition brought to you by This Walking Life. Stay tuned for the director's commentary for this video.